Here are the codes for May 2025 multiple choice questions to study for your counseling exam for those who are studying for the National Clinical Mental Health Counseling exam. These questions are derived from the Mometrix. These are multiple choice questions. These quiz codes will expire on May 31st, so make sure you are able to get the notification when the new codes come out, and happy studying. So here are the quiz codes. Here you see urgent clinical focus, for example. You would take that code, put it into the quiz app, and there you go. That way you can just study on your phone, whether you're on break at work or whatever you're doing, as long as you're not driving, but be safe. But yeah, so you can take it anywhere on your phone. You can also use it simultaneously on your computer as well. But if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section, and happy studying as per usual.